mad white Jamaican. Come on. What the hell? I think that's fake, you know? How can someone be Jamaican and white?
I was climbing tree, I'm gonna drop off.
On the tree.
Well, I'm sweating, look at this. I said, Myrna, say something for the camera for me now. Tell them how bad I was and things going up.
This is John. Jonathan is a devil picnic. Joke. Gotta tell him he's a nice young man. Nice young man, and I love him. Always love him.
Give me a hug.
I love you, Jonathan.
I'm sweating though. Lord, ask you now, give me a hug.
Gay. The dude gets like 22 million hits for cutting down an Aiken tree.
So how much I'm paying you for this? So we can't get half our stuff, alright? Man, more to know.
What the hell's an Aiken tree? Jeez.
David, what does Bomber Cloud mean? I don't know.
Follow these steps. And you'll see Diddy.
His teeth never stay in, you know what I mean?
You don't know? But you use the word so often. Like Ras Cloud, Bomber Cloud, Pussy Cloud. What does Bomber Cloud mean? It's just the heat of the moment.
Right, here we go.
And you see a video on YouTube that's very old hot. Go ahead. Baby one star. Fix it.
Heat of the moment. Man, you have some heat inside you. Some heated moments. What does Bomber Cloud mean? Don't know. You don't know? Yeah, man, you know what Bomber Cloud means.
Now, and you see a video.
God damn it. That's impression.
David, I won't put this on Facebook, I swear. I know you won't put it on Facebook because I ain't saying shit.
I can't even do the video properly. I want to fucking shoot the person who made this blood clot.
Alright, now we talk about Bomber Cloud means?
If you see a video. If you see a video that
Let's go fight some dogs.
what are you doing here? Why are you in the kitchen?
Leave them go first. You know where they belong? So we're gonna rush them too. You see what I'm saying? We're gonna rush them too.
What are you doing here? And why are you in my kitchen?
Man, watch your behind and bad bumbo. Uncle some man slaughtering a combo. I love to see you wine, so just do it all now.
What are you doing here?
You do that so right.
And why are you in my kitchen?
You still want to come
If
up?
I get rushed today. Mongrels.
I am calling the YouTube punk, Vinny from Brooklyn.
YouTube punk, let me ask you this, you Republican bitch, how'd you get my phone number, huh?
Ozzy Hyde from Pure Lava gave it to me, huh? He's a close friend of mine. I run the streets even in New York, so don't try anything funny.
I hope this is a joke, you sound like the Count Dracula from Sesame Street.
Count?
For real?
Hold on, you say I sound like Count? You can count on me to come to New York and kick your... Sorry, I cursed. Sorry, man.
Let's go. No, you could've... Go ahead, call me right back.
Yeah, turns up. Yeah, John is trying to catch some dogs.
My name is Yuri Pankovic. Look at the size of my package.
I can't hit my balls, you know. And you stop hissing your teeth. You have all people. You give up. You give it up that easy. No. Can you run fast? Give Matthew the camera. Matthew, you take the camera.
You take the camera.
Why?
I'm gonna go find that wireless.
Why?
Alright, dog. Alright, dog. Yo, I'm like run through us. Yo, listen here. It's recording.
It's recording. Go back there. Go back there.
Go, come here, man. Stop being such a pussy.
You can't even walk straight.
Yo, I drink so much shit, you know. You understand that? What, man?
Is both of them over here? I have two back there right now. I saw them come and swat this way.
Yo, why are you trying to scare me, man?
Matthew, you think I'm scaring you?
You're trying to fucking scare me.
Serious? I hope you can run.
Yo, I'm the fastest fucking smith in the country.
Well, you better be fast.
Where we're running to? Where we're running to?
You pop it all in your mouth like that.
Broke off the green, it's on your teeth.
I break off the green.
Bite it, just bite it.
Yeah? You got the nigga now. Put them out. You got the nigga part. You get nigga part on them out.
That right there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Dash out his skin out. What's door? What's door you dash his skin?
How much is
Don't dash the skin, bro. Wait, don't put that skin in on mine.
Give $100 for two. Give it two.
Alright, take two. Thank you so much. God bless you.
God bless you, my brother.
Look more, yeah?
Alright. Broke off the skin.
What, guys? Whoa, I'm fleeing outside! Don't do that.
This isn't going on YouTube, is it?